When enhancing the lips, it's not only about volume. When a patient comes in, I'm really looking at a lot of key structures of their lip, and all lips are unique and everyone is different. So I'm looking at the Cupid's bow, and the Cupid's bow is right in the middle right here. And as we age, a youthful lip, the distance between the vermilion border of the Cupid's bow and the philtrum column right here starts to expand or elongate as we get older. I like to add structure to the vermilion border, which is the outline, this pink outline around the lip, which adds a nice structure, especially when there's a lack of volume. And as we age, we start to lose volume over time. Often guided by the golden ratio, I want to make sure that your lips are in harmony with the rest of your facial features.